Speak English fluently with English for real. Do you want to improve your English faster? Want to have better listening comprehension and pronunciation? And boost your speaking skills quickly? Welcome to our new video to improve your English skills. In this video, we'll dive into a fun and interactive conversation designed to improve your English speaking skills. Now we will have a 4-part exercise. Part 1, listening and practice. Part 2, vocabulary. Part 3, listen and answer. Part 4, shadowing practice. Now are you ready to train your brain to speak English fluently? Let's get started. Part 1, English listening practice. In the first part, you'll listen to a conversation between native English speakers. Try to focus on the meaning of the conversation when you listen to it. This will help you understand real-life conversations. Rowing a boat. Hey, Jessica! Did you hear about some guy who rowed across the Atlantic Ocean?
Hi, Emily. No, I didn't. Good for him.
How could he do that?
Did he set a new record?
Yes, I think he did.
Well, I guess that's why he did it.
What's the point?
Now he has the world record.
But someone's going to break it, so what good is it?
Well, he can enjoy it while it lasts.
I don't think he even got paid for it.
Some people do it just to do it.
Part 2, learn vocabulary.
Atlantic Ocean. The ocean lying between Europe and Africa to the east and North and South America to the west. Sarah and her family enjoyed a cruise across the Atlantic Ocean, visiting several beautiful islands along the way. What's the point? It means, what is someone trying to say? After spending hours on a complicated puzzle, John asked, "What's the point?" when he realized a piece was missing. The world record. It means a record officially recognized as the best established anywhere in the world. The world record was set by a couple in Chicago, who danced from August 29, 1930 until April 1, 1931, a total of almost 215 days.
Part 3, listening and answer. Time Listen for some carefully to the interactive questions practice. I ask about the conversations. This will boost
Try
your
to answer
speaking
them out
and listening
loud
before I
skills.
reveal the correct answers. Repeat this exercise every day until you can say the answers quickly and confidently. Answer the question out loud. Hey, Jessica! Did you hear about some guy who rowed across the Atlantic Ocean?
Hi, Emily. No, I didn't. Good for him.
Who rowed across the Atlantic Ocean? The guy mentioned in the conversation rowed across the Atlantic Ocean. How could he do that?
Did he set a new record?
Yes, I think he did. What did the guy achieve by rowing across the Atlantic Ocean? He set a new world record for rowing across the Atlantic Ocean.
Well, I guess that's why he did it.
What's the point?
Now he has the world record.
Why does Emily question the point of setting a world record? Emily questions the point because she wonders about the significance of achieving a world record.
Now he has the world record.
But someone's going to break it, so what good is it?
Well, he can enjoy it while it lasts.
When does Jessica think someone might break the record? Jessica doesn't specify a time but implies that someone might break the record in the future. Part 4: Shadowing Practice. Lastly, we have the shadowing practice. Read your lines out loud after the speakers as they talk in the conversation. Focus on the rhythm and intonation of the English expressions and sentences. This exercise will sharpen your pronunciation and overall speaking abilities. Let's begin. Hey, Jessica! Did you hear about some guy who rowed across the Atlantic Ocean? How could he do that? Yes, I think he did. What's the point? But someone's going to break it, so what good is it? I don't think he even got paid for it. Duet with Jessica.
Hi, Emily. No, I didn't. Good for him. Did he set a new record? Well, I guess that's why he did it. Now he has the world record. Well, he can enjoy it while it lasts. Some people do it just to do it.
Great job on completing the English speaking practice. Keep watching this video every day for 1 week. And repeat the exercises to see significant improvements in your English skills. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful content. Happy learning!